Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar Bandevar, Assistant Professor SIITS Bhopal. Today's subject is fluid mechanics. We are going to study about fluid kinematics and types of fluid flow. First of all, we have to talk about the kinematics of flow. Kinematics of fluid flow deals with the motion of fluid particles without considering the agency of producing the motion. This deals with the geometry of motion of fluid particles. This also deals with the velocity and acceleration of fluid particles in motion without considering any type of force. As we discussed, fluid kinematics is the study of fluid in motion where pressure, force are not considered. It is generally a continuous function in space and time. Now, types of fluid flow. In types of fluid flow, there are six types of fluid flow. First one is steady and unsteady flow. Second one, uniform and non-uniform flow. Next one is laminar and turbulent flow, compressible and incompressible flow, rotational and rotational flow, and one, two, and three dimensional flow. Let's talk about steady and unsteady flow. In steady flow, the fluid characteristics like velocity, pressure, density, etc. at a point do not change with respect to time. Let we have R is the set of fluid properties and V is the velocity of fluid particles. Now R and V is invariant with respect to time. That means del R upon del T at given space does not change with respect to time. That means constant of so the steady flow is the fluid characteristics like velocity, pressure, density at a point do not change with respect to time. Now, if I talk about unsteady flow, in a steady flow, the pressure or density and velocity at a point change with respect to time, just opposite of steady flow. Unsteady or non-steady flow is one where the properties do depend on time. It is needless to say that any startup process is unsteady. Now, uniform and non-uniform flow. Uniform flow in which the velocity at given time does not change with respect to space, length or direction of the flow. Here is the example of uniform flow. This is the uniform flow, and after passing of fluid on this stone, here is the one again example of non-uniform flow. This one is non-uniform flow. Now the definition of uniform flow is in which the velocity at given time does not change with respect to space or length or direction. Non-uniform flow, sorry, in mathematically the properties of fluid does not change with respect to space. In mathematically, we can write del r upon del space at given time interval does not change. Does not change. Similarly, the velocity is del v upon del space at given time interval does not change. Non-uniform flow in which the velocity at any time changes with respect to space. As we have discussed about before example, in which the velocity at any time change with respect to space. If we have a section of the velocity is in this section is lower compared to this section. So we can say non-uniform flow. And mathematically, we can write del r upon del space at given time interval may change. If we talk about steady and uniform flow, here both the properties are submerged or add on to each other. Now del r upon del t and del r upon del space does not change with this, all are constant. The laminar flow and turbulent flow, in which the fluid particles move along well-defined path or streamline. You can see the fluid particles move along well-defined path. Fluid particles move along well-defined path is known as laminar flow. Turbulent flow, just opposite of laminar flow. Fluid moves in very irregular path or zigzag way. Velocity at point fluctuated. Compressible and incompressible flow. Compressible fluid in which the density of fluid change from point to point, point to point, in which the density of fluid change from point to point. Variable density, that means change of velocity at point to point, and the density is not constant for the fluid. Example, all gases are the best example of compressible flow. Incompressible flow, in which the density of fluid does not change from point to point. Or you can say constant density. Example, almost all liquid are incompressible. Okay. Rest type of flow we'll discuss in next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.